Hi guys, I'm Pam. Thank you so much for having me in your support group tonight. I'd just like to say I've just been so inspired by all of your stories that it's actually inspired me to come out and talk about my own trauma. Like you, Frank, you were a POW in the Vietnam War. Or Sharon, you escaped a sex trafficking ring. Oh my God. Oh, everyone here is a survivor, and you know what? I'm a survivor too. Can I just get confirmation that all the doors and windows are closed? Okay, thank you. Yeah. 17 years ago, I was viciously attacked by a cicada. It was July 5th, 2001, and I was sitting on the porch of Nano's wine bar, having a glass of Riesling, when my attacker, I heard him come up right behind me. You know that sound that cicadas make? Well, those are male cicadas, and they use it for mating. So I know it was trying to seduce me. And you know, the next thing I know, it just has its little tiny cicada hands around my neck, and it was trying to choke me. And in that moment, I literally forgot how to scream. You know, Frank, I felt just like you when you were in Vietnam, and they waterboarded you so many times, and you forgot your own name. It was just like that. Luckily, I have a thick neck, so it couldn't reach all the way around. But I can tell you, I looked that cicada dead in the eye, and there was nothing there. I mean, it was like I was looking the devil straight in the face. And something happened deep down inside of me, and I said, Pam, you have got to fight for your life, or, you know, this cicada is gonna kill you. So I did the only thing that I thought I could do. I swatted. I swatted for my life. Jerry, you know how you're talking about how you had to fight off that great white shark when you were surfing in California? Yeah, Jerry, you lost your leg, but I almost lost my life. I mean, that cicada, I thought it was over. I thought it was gone. And then finally, somehow it came back, and it bitch slapped me right across the face. I mean, the waiter said it was the most epic flail he's ever seen in his life. I mean, I don't know, because I blacked out. So, but when I finally came to, all I could hear the waiter saying was, Ma'am, we're closing. You have to leave. And I know he was just doing his job. He really had my best interests at heart. I mean, Lisa, you know how your whole family died in that plane crash and you were the only one who survived? Yeah, I survived too. I was able to walk out of that restaurant unharmed. You know, coping with this has just been really tough. I can't drink Riesling anymore. I haven't worn a choker in 17 years. I used to fall asleep to nature soundtracks, but you wouldn't believe it. Every one of them has a cicada on it. Yeah. And you know, all of this is just coming up for me now because my attacker's gonna be released this summer. Yeah, it's been living underground as a nymph for the last 17 years, and it's coming back, and I'm just so terrified that it's gonna come back, and this time it's gonna get me. And I know the last time he did it, he meant it, because before I blacked out, all I remember is that little cicada going. Yeah. Oh my God, is that the time? Oh shit, I'm late for my chemo appointment. Yeah, I have cancer. You know, the nurses, they get so pissed if you're late. It's like some traumatic event is happening, but I'll be back next week.